Once is joined, we will start with the next theorem. So before going to that theorem, we will do one or two numericals based on the previous things only. So we will start. Akash, Hamsini.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's the same kind of numericals. Only the thing is the way how it is looking is different. Two right angle triangles ABC and DBC. ABC and DBC are drawn on the same hypotenuse. BC and on the same side of BC. If AC and BD intersect at point P, prove that AP into PC is equal to BP into PD. Try this question. I will draw the diagram for this given. I will give the diagram also. Sometimes they won't give the diagram. Guys, in that cases, you have to identify proper diagrams. Many of cases, they won't give the diagram. Based on the given data, you have to draw the diagrams. This is right angle. This is right angle. Common to both the triangles having the, this is P. Both having common hypotenuse. ABC, DBC. This is a given triangle, given diagram. You have to do this one. Try. Akash, Amrita, anyone got an idea how to start the question? What is the common thing in the given triangle, guys? It is a common thing.
They lie on same base.
Yeah, one side is common for both. First of all, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
One side is common for both, and second thing is one angle is common.
Right angle, sir.
Correct. Now, our job is what we have to do. He is asking the relation between AP and PC, AP PC and BP PD, BP PD. So AP PC BP PD is related in two more right angle triangles. See here, so many right angle triangles you can see, but related to AP and PC, BP and PD, which right angle triangles I am having here? So consider only two right angle triangles. See here, I am drawing the red color border for those triangles. See, this is also another right angle triangles. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So from here, first I am taking angle A is equal to angle D. What is the reason, guys?
90-degree right
90
angles.
degrees.
Both are at 90 degrees. Next one is angle APB will be equal to angle DPC. Why?
Vertically
Vertically
opposite
opposite
lines.
angles.
Yes, super. Vertically opposite. In a right angle triangle, right angle is common and one angle is also is same. Then automatically what will happen?
AA similarity.
Yeah, from AA similarity, therefore triangle APB, APB is similar with triangle DPC. So if I'm taking only those two triangles here, this is APB, this is DPC. These two angles, this is proved. So with respect to these triangles, how I can take the ratios? See here, opposite to hypotenuse is BP in here, hypotenuse is PC. So BP by PC and APB is this one. So opposite to this angle is AB. So opposite to this angle is CD. So remaining angle is this one. So AP by PD. I don't want this one. I need only these two relations. So take the second two ratios AB. No. I want first and last relation. Sorry. This I don't want. So BP by PC is equals AP by PD. And if I'm cross multiplying, what I will get? BP into PD will be equal to AP into PC. So this is a required statement I have to prove. Am I clear, guys? How it got?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, some network was disconnected suddenly. So I will able to see the screen.
Sir, I guess you are not presenting.
Yes, disconnected now. So even screen share also gone. Yeah. Now
Yes, sir.
Yes,
in
sir.
adjoining figure, I will draw the figure here. ABC and AMP are two right triangles, or two right triangles. Right angled at B. And M respectively. Triangle ABC and AMP are similar. The second one is CA by PA will be equal to BC by MP. So the triangles are like this. This is one right angle triangle. This is another right angle triangle. A, B, C, M, P. Start this question. Guys, done anyone this question? First one proved anyone?
Yes, sir.
Who's this?
Hamsini.
Yeah. Go for next one.
Okay, sir.
CA and PA.
Yes, sir.
DC and
About to
MP.
complete it.
Mm-hmm. Will you take a snapshot and send it to me? WhatsApp. I will show here.
Okay, sir.
Even Sandhya is also part of the Moon program.
Sir, she is in assembly, sir, for her tomorrow. Niranjan and Sandhya
Sandhya.
same class.
Okay. Because
So
they
1 minute, sir. I'll send you the photo.
sent a message regarding of the meeting was extended up to 7. From here I can use AA triangles. See here, if I'm taking triangle, I will see your solution also. See this my solution, whether it is both are same or not, we will see. From ABC, and here I am writing one more triangle, one more right angle triangle is AMP. If I'm seeing angle B is equal to 90 degrees, and same here angle M also 90 degrees. And common angle is A. In both the triangles, A is the common angle. So angle CAB, angle MAP. So this is common angle. This is right angle. Both are right angles. So from AA criteria, angle criteria.
Sir, I'll send you now.
Yeah, send. You send. Let's see whether both are same method or not.
Okay, sir.
AA similar criteria. You send, man. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So ABC is like this, AMP is like this. This is right angle here, this is the right angle here. So AC is the hypotenuse. Here AP is the hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse, AP is hypotenuse here. So that particular ratios are common. So when it comes to second question, you have to take the ratios of the sides. So here both the triangles are similar. Automatically I can write uh, CA by PA will be equal to, directly I can write CA. CA is hypotenuse of the one triangle, AP is the hypotenuse of the other triangle. So CA by PA will be equal to BC. So BC is the one side of the ABC. So BC is this one. So corresponding side of BC is what? What I will get corresponding side of BC is MP. So this will bring us, because A is common angle. So opposite to A is MP. Here also opposite to A is BC. So the angle which is opposite to A, both the sides are in the same ratio. So automatically I can say this is a required second statement. Now we'll see what Amrita done. Amrita, you only send na this one?
No, sir.
Hamsini.
Hamsini sent.
Hamsini. So same thing. She also sent the same procedure. So there will be no difference in the procedure. The first one, she took the common angle and 90 degrees angle. From the AA similarity, she proved both the triangles are similar. She took the ratios of the corresponding sides. In that, two ratios is enough to prove the second statement. Same thing, same way she completed. It's good. If done, we'll move to the next one.
Done, sir.
Last question. After that, we'll move to the next theorem. One or two questions we will do. We'll move to the next theorems. In the adjoining figure, QR is QR into PR will be equal to QT into QS, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. So I am drawing the triangle. The triangle is like this. The given diagram is related to this question is like this. TQR. This is TQR. PS. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. Try this question. Here, final job is you have to prove PQS and TQR are similar to each other. It's very simple if you understand the figure properly. Guys, anyone got the answer? Hansini?
No, sir.
See here, what are the triangles you are going to prove here? I'm just underlining with red color. This is one triangle, correct? This is another triangle. This red color marked triangles only I have to prove. Am I right? So, if you are still not clear, take out the two triangles separately. So, PQS. This is PQS. PQS. Next one is TQR. This is TQR. Extending the PQ only TQ. QS extension only QR. So this is angle 1. This is angle We are not bothering it. T, Q, R. See here. So these two triangles I have to prove. There is a P here. If I join P, there is an angle which is equal to 1. What is this says? From this, this is P now. What is this says, guys? PQR, PQR is a isosceles triangle. PQR is an isosceles triangle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So now, see here, from given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
From here, what are the sides I can say equal? Which sides I can say equal? The side
PQ,
which is opposite to 1 is what? PR.
PQ and
Side
P are equal.
PQ and PR are equal. So PR equal to PQ. So what is the reason here? Sides opposite equal, angles are same. Or in isosceles sides, correct. Sides equal to opposite sides of a triangle are opposite sides equal to equal angles are opposite equal angles. Opposite equal angles are same. Now, so I proved PQ and PR is same. PQ and PR is same. Now take the triangle PQS and the triangle TQR. So angle PQS will be equal to angle TQR. What is the reason? What is the reason here? Common angle. Both are common angle. Correct or not? Q is a common angle. This is a common angle for the both the triangles. So same angle I can write or common angle. The next one is and what is the one more given data other than angles? QR into PR. QR into PR will be equal to QT into this one. So from here what I can write? See, I can replace the PR with PQ. So I am replacing the same thing. QR into PQ will be equal to QT into. So now QR into PQ, QT into PS. So completely I got the relations between triangle 1 and triangle 2 where I have to prove both are similar. Now PQ and QS related to first triangle. So I am taking that ratio. So no. PQ is opposite to angle S. So here correspondingly PQ which is equal side. Correspondingly PQ is equal to PR. Here PR. But which ratio I have to take? So PQ by QT will be equal to QS by QR. QS by QR. So what I can write? Already I proved one angle is same and two sides are in the same ratio here. So from here I can write triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Which criteria comes in here?
SAS.
Yes, this is side, this angle, again QS. Similarity criterion. Most of the cases we used angle criterion, but here we are using SAS similarity criterion. Simple. If you're done, we'll move to the next question.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, this is Sandhya, sir. Just now the school meeting got over, sir. Sorry, sir.
No, no, no. You send a message, no problem. I can understand. No issues. If done, we'll move to the next concept.
Yes.
Done, sir.
Next one is little important based on this. Sometimes essay questions they may ask. The theorem areas of similar triangles. Area of similar triangles. For this, we are using the common area formula. What is the area of a triangle? How many ways you can find out the area of a triangle? How many ways we know? As per your knowledge, we can able to find. We can able to calculate area of triangle. What is the first formula? Known formula for everyone, guys.
Half into base into height.
Half into base into height. Suppose if I know suppose this is the one triangle. If this is the height, if I know this side, then I can use the area of this triangle is half into base into height. So we can find out this formula in three ways, because three sides will act as a three bases. Suppose if I know the height of this side, or if I know the height of this side, so based on the heights which side I know, based on that I can able to find out this one. Second formula is what? What is the second formula? I don't know the height, but I know the sides of three sides. ABC.
Heron's formula.
Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula?
Root of s
S
into
into
s
S minus
minus
A
a.
into S minus B into S minus C. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So these are the two possibilities. But in plane geometry, this is called plane geometry. In plane geometry, other than this, we can give ratios of the triangles. So now we are going to discuss how the areas are related to similar triangles. Because if it is congruent triangles, you can say both areas are same. But here areas are not same here. Am I right? Areas of similar triangles. Areas of similar triangles. So what is the theorem says? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. We know one relation, the corresponding angles are same and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Suppose if I'm taking the two similar triangles, I already gave the data. These two are the two similar triangles. In such a way, angle A is equal to angle B, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Then automatically I can say AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR will be equal to AC by PR. So that means AB and PR ratio is similar to BC. It is not say equal sides. I am taking only ratios of the corresponding. These corresponding ratios are same, and angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. This is only the ratios I am taking here. I am not taking both are equal. So in this case, what he is trying to say is, if I am taking this area half into base into height of the first triangle, how I can relate to the sides ratio is trying to say, according to this theorem, we can write this formula. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. So for short form, we can write like this. Area of AR, triangle ABC divided by area means AR of triangle PQR will be equal to squares of the ratios of the corresponding sides. AB by PQ whole square, BC by QR whole square, AC by PR whole square. This is what we can prove. So actually, if they are asking this theorem, we have to write this statement. Areas of the similar triangles theorem is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. And now our job is how to prove this one. This is a statement, and this statement, from this statement I can write this formula. So how to prove these statements? This we have to prove. I'm going to the next page to explain the proof of this theorem. So from here, I'm taking a little bit small diagram to explain this one. These are the two triangles, and I'm saying both are similar to each other. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR. So proof. So first I'm taking the construction. Given data is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That means angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. So that is a given data. And we have to prove, already I explained in the previous slide what we want to prove. And how to bring the areas concept here. So for that I have to make a small construction. This is given data. The small construction is here. I have to take two perpendiculars from any one vertex as of now. Take the perpendicular from any one vertex. Suppose I'm taking one perpendicular from A. From which vertex you are taking, the corresponding vertex one you take in the remaining triangle also. Don't take some other different vertex here. So corresponding to A is P. So from the same vertex I am taking the one more vertical. So these two verticals will act as the heights of the triangles. So my construction is draw AD perpendicular to BC. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. Another construction is draw PM. This is P. Draw PM perpendicular to QR. So these are the two perpendiculars. So now I have to bring the relation between the areas. So from this construction, what is the area of triangle ABC, Hansini? What is the area of the triangle
half
ABC?
half
Half.
into
What is the base from the diagram? BC.
BC,
Into height is
height
AD.
AD.
From here, area of triangle PQR.
So half into
Hmm,
QR
hmm,
into PM.
PM. So I need the ratio of the areas, correct or not? In the proof, what you have to do? I need to prove the ratio of the areas equal to something, correct or not? So I'm taking area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. This will use half into BC into AD divided by half into QR into PM. So half cancel. This will use BC by QR into, I can write AD by PM, because AD and PM are the altitudes and BC by Q are the, BC divided by QR is one of the corresponding ratio, So from the, according to given data, this BC by QR can replace with what kind of ratios? According to given data, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So from here I can write AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR will be equal to CA by RP or AC by PR. So this one I can replace with any of these three ratios because all the three ratios are same. Now I'm going back to discussion. So again from the angles, angle B is equal to angle Q, and from given and angle ADB is equal to angle. So I'm taking triangle ABD and triangle PQM. See here, I'm taking triangle ABD and triangle PQM. See, this angle are same. Angle ABD will be equal to angle PQM, that is given because corresponding angles are equal, and angle ADB will be equal to angle PMQ. Why these angles are equal? Angle PMQ, angle ADB, why both are equal, guys? For this, the reason is corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. Corresponding. Amchini, what is the reason? The second one.
So 90
they are
degrees.
90 degrees.
Correct. So both are 90 degrees here. So if two angles are same, I can say
AA similarity.
AA similarity.
correct. So from AA similarity, which two triangles I can say both are similar to each other? From AA similarity, angle B is equal to angle Q, which is given, and angle, two right angles are same. Angle ADB will be equal to angle PMQ is equal to 90 degrees. So from here, triangle ABD will be equal to similar to triangle PQM from AA similarity criterion. Now, so from this, which ratio I can take? The useful ratio is AD by PM will be equal to AB by PQ. I'm taking both the triangles. This is ADB and this is PMQ. He's taking AD by PM. AD by PM will be equal to AB by PQ. So AB by PQ. Go back to the previous thing when I am taking the areas. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, which already I wrote as how much? BC by QR into AD by PM. So from here I can replace AD by PM is equal to how much? BC by QR into AB by PQ. We know already AB by PQ will be equal to BD by QR will be equal to AC by which one? RP or PR. So AB by PQ I can replace with BD by QR, or BD by QR I can replace with AB by PQ. So, or both the things I can replace with AC by PR. From here I can write AB by PQ whole square or will be equal to BC by QR whole square or AC by PR whole square. Any ratio can be possible because all are represent same. So this is the area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. So this is only a required proof for us. It's only simple. To which ratios I have to prove, I have to bring the relations between both the things. If you are clear, we'll move to the next one. Is it clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. We can conclude many more statements from this area of two similar triangles concept. So we'll see some other, we can't say both are, those are the theorems. We can say the corollaries or applications of these areas of the corresponding similar triangles. So the first one we will see. Some more results on the area of two similar triangles. Akash, erase that thing. I am unable to erase. It is possible, otherwise leave it. The first one. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding altitudes. The ratio of two similar triangles are So two similar triangles is equal. Two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding altitudes. Ratio of the corresponding altitudes. So he given, what is the given data here? If I am having two triangles ABC and PQR, he's saying both the triangles are similar. So triangle ABC is similar with the triangle PQR. Suppose AD is the height of the triangle ABC and PM is the height of the triangle PQR. What is asking us to prove is the ratios of the area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR will be equal to square of these heights AD by PM whole square. This is only he's asking us to prove. So the proof is very simple. They told already both the triangles are similar to each other. So first take the areas formulas. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR will be equal to half into base is BC into height is AD divided by half into base is QR into height is PM. So half cancel. From here BC by QR into AD by PM. Now, so take the two right angle triangles from each triangle. I'm taking same kind of proof what we done in previous theorem. A, D, B and P, M, Q. How we proved both are similar triangles here? How we proved both are similar triangles here? From given AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR will be equal to CA by RP, because they mentioned it is a similar triangles. This is equation 1 you take, and angle B is equal to angle Q from similar triangle concept. From similar triangle corresponding angles are same or equal, and identify one more angle is same in both the triangles. Which angle I can write as the same from the ABD and PMQ? Angle ADB will be equal to angle PMQ will be equal to 90 degrees. So from these two statements, I can write triangle ADB is similar to triangle PMQ. What is this? Both the triangles are same. What is the reason? From AA similarity criterion. So based on that, I can write AB by PQ will be equal to AD by PM. But see here, from the second equation, I can write this ratio will be equal to BC by QR will be equal to CA by RP. Now come back to the ratios of the areas. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR will be equal to BC by QR into AD by PM. See, BC by QR, AD by PM ratios are same. So this ratio can be replaced with this AD by PM into AD by PM, that is AD by PM whole square, that will be equal to square of the ratios of both the triangle heights. This is how we can prove this statement. Is it clear, guys? If you're done, please let me know. I will go for the next statement. You can't keep it as a theorem. It's like an application where we can use in many numericals like corollaries. If done, I will move to the next statement. 3 statements are like this. We'll finish these 3 statements. After that, only Pythagoras theorem and related to applications are remaining. Pythagoras theorem. After Pythagoras theorem, almost we are at end of the triangles concept. In this week, we will complete and we will go for a test also. If done, I will go to the next one. Guys, if clear, I will move to the next one.
Clear,
Sini?
sir.
Sir.
Yeah. Second statement, will you try by your own? Same way we can prove. It is easy only. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding medians. Try this question. Given data is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. You have to prove the ratios. This is a triangle ABC. This is a triangle PQR. Both are similar. So angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal. So the medians is AD and PM. This is not altitudes, guys. Medians. So you have to prove both the medians also similar to square of the corresponding areas. The ratios of the medians are equal to square of the corresponding areas. Sorry, the ratios of the areas will be equal to square of the corresponding medians. Anyone tried? Trying? Anjani, are you trying?
So yes, sir, I'll do it.
Same way, you take the medians, take any one triangle ABD and PQM, prove both are similar to each other. Guys, anyone got the answer? Anjani, you got any idea? I gave the clue also. See, from the given data, I can write angle A is equal to angle B, angle P is equal to, sorry, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. From here, AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR will be equal to PR by, sorry, AC by PR. So this is the given data. And AD and PEM are medians. What is the meaning of medians, guys? What is the meaning of medians?
It
You
will
need to
divide
prove.
into two equal halves.
Correct.
The line.
What do you have to prove? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR will be equal to, the ratio will be equal to square of their medians, AD by PM whole square. This is we have to prove. Yeah, simple. Same way, what I told in the previous. We already proved from the previous statement, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR will be equal to AB by PQ whole square is equals, and rest of the sides, AB by BC by QR whole square will be equal to AC by PR whole square. So these two statements is not required. I'm taking only this consideration because I draw the median from the A. So the first ratio is enough to solve the rest of the tree. Now I'm taking the triangles again to redraw A, B, C, and A, D is the median, P, Q, R, P, M is the median. Now area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR will be equal to, no, I'm taking the AB by PQ ratio, sorry, AB divided by PQ ratio will be equal to BC by QR. This BC by QR I can write as 2 times BD divided by 2 times QM. Why? Because of the median, BD is equal to DC, QM will be equal to MR. So it is dividing exactly into 2 equal halves. Am I right? Because of the median only. D is the midpoint of BC and M is the midpoint of the QR. So if it is a midpoint, finally I can write the ratio AB by PQ can be written as BD by QM. BD by QM. This is one point we have to keep in mind. Next one is angle B is equal to angle Q. So one angle is same. So angle B is equal to angle Q, and these two sides are in the AB by PQ. So AB by PQ, BD by QM, and angle. So which criteria says? So from these 2 points, side, angle, side, criterion I can apply. Which triangles I can say both are similar to each other? From these two statements, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM from SAS criterion. From SAS similarity criterion. Using this, I can write AB by PQ can be written as BD by QM and equal to AD by PM. Go back to the areas ratio. Go back to the areas ratio. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR will be equal to AB by PQ whole square. This AB by PQ whole square can replace with AD by PM whole square, which is nothing but ratio of the square of the medians. Ratio of the squares of the medians of both the triangles. The areas will be equal to squares of the medians ratio. The area of both the triangles will be equal to squares of the medians ratio. This is the how we can able to prove the second statement. One more last statement is there before going to the Pythagoras theorem. One more last statement is there before going to the Pythagoras theorem. This statement I am giving as a homework. If you are not getting, I will explain. Don't worry. Just make a note of this statement. Result 3. Try and work out by your own the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratios of their corresponding internal angle bisector segments. Ratios of their square of the equal to the square of the, not ratios of directly, equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding internal angle bisector segments. Before median it is altitude. Now it is internal angle bisector. So you have to prove the same way. Take the internal angle bisector, any one vertex, and take the part of the triangles and prove both are similar. Automatically you can able to prove the ratios of the areas will be equal to square of the internal angle bisectors ratio. So this is, you can try by your own. Is it clear, guys? The theorem, based on the theorems, we will do some numericals and no. After this, we will do the Pythagoras theorem. After that, we will move to the numericals. Is it clear? Shall I wind up the class?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Clear, sir.
Yeah, we'll meet in the next class, guys. Bye, everyone.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any doubts? Please
Thank
let
you,
me know. Try to do this statement by your own.
Okay, sir.
Like
Okay,
homework.
sir.
If you are not clear, anyway, I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.